Outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, turn baby girl, you know me.
Okay, Trent.
Still with the girls that they inside.
Okay, Trent.
Gotta watch the time, 'cause it's flying like that. I'm outside.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm actually starting off rather late. It's actually 9 o'clock at night right now. But if you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, today we are saying goodbye to this thing right here. Sorry for the mess, guys. I am getting ready to move. So it is a little messy in here. But yeah, guys, so we're going to be saying goodbye to this thing, but it is not permanent. So let me show you guys why we're saying goodbye to this thing. So back when I bought this car back in 2021, I believe, it had some blemishes. Back in 2021 was the height of the COVID craze when it came to buying cars, but I just really wanted this car. So as you can see, this is what I had to deal with. I bought it with this clear coat fading here and there. As you can see, it runs all the way down, and even on my wing back there, it's a little faded. And then I also have this crack here. So the previous owner did get into some kind of major accident that had pretty trash rebuilding, to say the least. So that's why we're saying goodbye to this thing. I'm actually gonna be getting that fixed. That is one of my biggest insecurities about this car. So we're actually gonna be taking this over to my guy, Oray. You know, he installed the side skirts in the front lip here, but this is going to be the first time where I actually had him touch my paint on my car. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get a cold start, because it might be a month before I hear another one. Warm up, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off to him, and I guess we'll pick up the video of what we pick up. I also got a couple other things I want to do while he has it, so let's see what happens. Sounds so good. I say that every time I drive this car.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, so it's actually been about 2 weeks or so since the last clip that you guys saw of the car. I believe the last clip that you did see was me doing some, little night driving or whatever. But like I mentioned, it has been about 2 weeks since the last video, and that's because of a couple reasons. The first reason is because I told Oray to take as much time as he needed, because I'm not going to be using the car much right now, because I am in the process of moving, and you guys will see where to. Probably, maybe this video, maybe not, but I am in the process of moving. And the second reason is because we only thought that this was gonna be like an easy couple-day job, and it ended up turning into almost a nightmare. So whoever had this car last did not do very good body work on it at all, and it was basically filled with a lot of bondo. So all through this process, Oray did send me some pictures and videos of what was going on with it when he first started working on it.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Up until when he was finished with it. And I must say, I am so happy with how the videos and those pictures look, because it already looks so much better. So with that being said, guys, we're going to wait for our quote unquote Uber to get here, and we're gonna go check out the car and pick it up. So catch you guys then. All right, guys, I just got to the shop. I'm gonna get a cold start. Look at it shine in the light, guys. Alright guys, so just got done wiping most of the dust off of it, and as you can see, looks way better now. So start here at the quarter panel on top of it. You guys remember the big spot I had right there where clear coat was coming off. You remember this section right here, how it was cracked. I actually have pictures of this specific area where it was terribly done. And all this spot up here where the clear coat was fading, and he even repainted the door for me because the clear coat was kind of peeling off right here, but it wasn't a big deal for me. My main focus was right here. But 10 out of 10, guys. Looks 100% way better than before. It was to the point where I hated this side of the car. Like, all of my pictures of this car was from that side over here. And on top of that, guys, I don't know if you can tell, but he went ahead and paint corrected this thing for me. Besides a paint and body shop, he does do paint corrections. And as you can tell, the car is definitely shining, and it's not even high noon yet. Car is definitely shining a lot better than what it was, and it's still technically dusty right now, guys. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely an A1 job. If I do say so myself, I've seen a lot of freshly painted cars and they don't even look near this good. This is actually his truck over here. It's dirty right now, but he painted this whole truck and it's not even done yet, guys. It hasn't been cut and buffed yet. He basically just laid down the paint, put the clear coat on it, and it still needs to be buffed. Sorry, Oray, I'm gonna point out your run right there, but that's how you guys know that it's not done. But it's definitely still a clean truck. But yeah, guys, if you guys need any paint work, come hit up my guy. He's on the I guess you can call this the northwest side of Houston. We're on 1960 behind the Beck & Maston dealership. You can hit him up on Instagram. I'll drop his page right here. But yeah, guys, hit him up for quotes, get your work done. Stop playing around with these backyard painters that got grass all in your paint job. Polish the tips, because we repainted and cleared the wing, so that's no longer fading. So definitely about to start having a lot more fun with this thing, taking it out a lot more because it looks great. So now that I got the paint taken care of, I'll probably just get these seals redone all around, but that's no big deal. my main focus was that quarter panel. So that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get him paid up and let's get back on the road. So guys, I was actually in the process of editing this video and I kind of felt like the last clip kind of ended abruptly. So I wanted to add this final clip in here. Basically, I wanted to give another huge thanks to my guy over at Autobionix, Oray. You have definitely brought my car back to life. It looks 10 times better than the whole time I ever had it. So as you guys saw, he fixed my quarter panel area here, did excellent work on the paint here. We did the wing. That still, I'm actually going to be taking it back to him for that because the wing was done last and then I kind of picked it up before it can completely cure. So we're going to be taking it back so we can finish buffing that out. But you can't really tell, like I showed you guys this truck as well, and you can't really tell that the wing still needs to be buffed. Like it literally looks just as good as the normal paint here. And this whole section of the car has been buffed out, which is why it looks so clean, besides the paint correction. So the paint correction, guys, although it did make my paint look way better, I want you guys to understand it is not going to make your paint look perfect when it was as bad as this car was, or if your paint is even in worse condition than mine was. So this car definitely needs a full respray, and I've told him that before. You can tell all these marks that you guys see right here, that is actually in my clear coat. I'm pretty sure this car before my time period with it was in Phoenix, Arizona, I want to say. I believe that's what the Carfax said. But with it being so hot out there and the sun baking down on it all day, every day for who knows how long, I'm pretty sure that's why my clear coat was as trash as it was, and pretty sure it was starting to take the roof next. So, but for right now, for what I'm going to be doing with the car, like it's not bothering me right now. You can't really see it until you ride up on it, and I'm fine with that. All this stuff over here you can see all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna be happy with how it is right now. I did mention I still want to get these seals replaced. We were actually going to be doing the roof seals here, but I forgot to remind him whenever I dropped it off. So but that's no big deal, we'll get that taken care of. But yeah, guys, hit him up for any paint and body needs, guys. He does paint, body. He also does insurance jobs. I've actually heard from a couple people that they wasn't sure if he did insurance, but he does do insurance jobs. He does the paint corrections, as you guys can see. I'm pretty sure he does ceramic coating as well, if that's something you're into. And he does do brake calipers. I painted my own, but he also does those, and I've seen how those come out as well. Just for him being a one-man show, guys, his quality of work is great, and that's why I trusted him 100% with this car. I knew he was going to do what he needed to do, and you guys saw the update pictures. He did great. So with that being said, guys, go ahead and give my man a follow. Hit him up if you need any body work done to your car, any paint corrections, anything related to paint done to your car, even the side skirts and the front lips. You guys saw him do that as well. Hit him up, let him know I sent you. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one.